So I built, I have a claw basically that takes care of my home, and I call him Dobby the Elf Claw. Basically, I used the agents to find all of the smart home subsystems of my home on the local area network, which I was kind of surprised that worked out of the box. Like I just told it that I think I have Sonos at home. Like, can you try to find it? And it goes and it did like IP scan of all of the computers on the local area network, and it found the Sonos thing, the Sonos system, and it turned out that there's no password protection or anything like that. It just logged in and it's like, oh yeah, you have these Sonos systems installed. Let me try to reverse engineer how it's working. It does some web searches and it finds like, okay, these are the API endpoints. And then it's like, do you want to try it? And I'm like, whoa, like you just did that. And I'm like, yeah, can you try to play something in the study? And it does, and music comes out. And I'm like, I can't believe I just...
That's crazy. That's like 3 prompts. Yeah.
I can't believe I just typed in like, can you find my Sonos? And that suddenly it's playing music. And it did the same for lights. And so basically like it kind of hacked in, figured out the whole thing, created APIs, created a dashboard. So I could see the command kind of center of like all of my lights in the home. And then it was like switching lights on and off. And, so I can ask it like, Dobby, it's sleepy time. And when it's sleepy time, that just means all the lights go off, etc., and so on. So it controls all of my lights, my HVAC, my shades, the pool and the spa, and also my security system. So I have a camera pointed outside of the house, and anytime someone rolls in, I have a Quen model that looks at the videos. So first of all, there's change detection,
right?
And then based on change detection, it goes to Quen, and then it actually like tells me, it sends me a text to my WhatsApp. It shows an image from the outside. And it says, hey, a FedEx truck just pulled up, and you might want to check it, and you got new mail or something like that. And Dobby just texts me this. It's really incredible. So Dobby is in charge of the house. I text with it through WhatsApp. And it's been like really fun to have these macro actions that maintain my house. I haven't like really pushed it like way more beyond that.